guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you are new, my name is Hlulani Baloyi. If you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bar just so you don't miss anything that gets to happen in this channel. So today, guys, I am going to Jana's place. If you have watched my previous video that has to do with Austria, you probably have seen Jana. So we are cooking chakalaka, and I'm calling this the cultural exchange. So basically it's just gonna be me, Jana, and Chris, and oh my gosh, my voice. Yeah, it's gonna be me, Jana, and Chris, and what we're gonna be doing is I will cook chakalaka, and we also are gonna go hiking. So before we can cook, we're gonna hike first, and then after hiking we come back and cook, and hopefully you would get to learn something Russian because Jana is Russian, and you'll get to learn something Austrian because Chris is Austrian. And well, I'm already giving chakalaka, so I don't think I need to share anything, but we'll see how it goes. I'm excited about this. Okay, so I am late, didn't make it at 12. For sure these guys are gonna kill me, but I'm doing my best. So I'm like 6 minutes away now, and yes, I'm just gonna show you guys the surrounding. Hey beautiful people, I am in Jana's place right now, and a regular 10 minutes.
Chris is in the house.
Chris is definitely in the house. So we are going hiking right now and waiting for Jana. Jana has gone up, and yeah, so after hiking we're gonna be cooking chakalaka and call it the cultural exchange. So Chris is gonna teach.
So I have one more weird question.
Hey, you're in the internet now. Be quiet. Hey, you're on the Facebook live stream. Hey, guys. Hey, what's up?
Jana has a weird question. Do you want to put it on video?
We can talk about it when you leave.
Okay, cool. Well, anyway, I'm stopping the video. So yeah, catch you guys later. So how does it work? Is it like?
But you deny that. I mean,
let's say I go.
I don't get it. In this point, I don't get the Swedish government.
I'm not necessarily sure how does it work in terms of processes, who reports who.
Yeah.
But in case it's gonna be discovered, then the person
if you are discovered, for sure, nobody raises the hand. Yeah.
Interesting.
So yeah, but in Austria you're saying that it's pretty legal.
It's legal. Yeah,
it's paying taxes and.
10 years ago, around Westbahnhof, Felberstraße, you had street prostitution. This is not anymore. Yeah.
So how does it work? Do they have like an app, or people just know?
Ads in newspapers or online, or there are apps for that. Yeah, for sure.
Interesting.
Yeah, for sure. Where you can find them,
Wow.
Escort services, those high-class escort services, you pay, I don't know.
Because there's an element of what's this? So in South Africa, there's like a lot of talks around regulating prostitution.
Yeah.
And there's so much politics around it.
Yeah. Is it legal, illegal?
At this point, it's not regulated.
It's not regulated.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So at this point, it's not really regulated. And then we have, I don't know if you know the EFF.
EFF, yes.
Yeah.
What does it stand for?
Economic Freedom
Fighters.
Yeah.
So we have this girl, what's her name, Naledi. She's actually like been really vocal around how we should actually make sure that prostitution is legal. Whether you agree with it or not is your own moral whatever, but it shouldn't affect other people basically. So yeah.
In Sweden, it's a bit different. So basically, if you are selling your
And one of the most famous in the city is there, Cinema. seen yet because the tram number 10 was here decades ago, not anymore. This is the family, Plachuta.
Plachuta.
Plachuta is the family, yeah. And they are in the 1st district and in the Post 13th district. And they have those. They are famous for those beef soups and beef meat and
Yeah.
not steak. They cook, they boil it in the soup. Yeah.
We are talking plant-based eaters, but fine.
Yeah.
Plachuta.
We have to work. Lunch was 1 hour. So normally I don't do that.
It's longer.
Normally it's 2 hours.
It gets a bit longer.
Eat, sleep, repeat. Yeah. And the topic came to Christoph Ransmeyer. And a huge one here.
I like your labeling, but
Yeah. You play ice hockey too. Yeah. Over there in the lawn.
Yeah?
that's something for us in a couple of months.
And they have those.
You are
everything.
you're invited. What's happening? I missed it.
No, there's an ice rink. They built an ice rink,
Ah, okay.
and those little hats where you can drink. Yeah, it's a Christmas market also here with
Ooh.
mulled wine and everything. Yeah, it will. Yeah, it will. I
Actually,
don't know here, but the main ones, yeah, they said yes. It's not cancelled yet.
Not the others. I've heard Salzburg one is cancelled.
Yeah, the Salzburg one is cancelled. Yeah, I did hear that. Oh my God! Come down.
Yeah.
And
do it, Jana.
yeah, and every flat has a balcony with a lot of tree. There are a lot of trees in.
I thought you would say it's a factory.
No, it's yeah, it's international.
I mean, my mom is a kindergarten teacher, so it lives on still.
You know, a lot of annoying songs. Yeah.
Yeah.
How about the nation hymn?
Yeah, we have on next Monday, 26th of October is our national holiday. Right?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
brought food either way.
Nap.
Yeah. It's the start. Okay. The scout. The disc. The probably.
The history is at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Ah.
The history tour. Now it's the sun, so
Yeah.
you can see sunlight, of course.
Yeah, for sure.
Obvious.
Obviously.
We have a little bit that gives us some hint.
By the way, I put this on video. You don't mind, right?
No, I don't mind.
Okay.
I charge
Just
you.
making sure.
If you pay me, I don't mind.
Or if you want to make money, you have to
Yeah.
have my written agreement anyway. At least in Austria.
Yeah. No, it's not monetary.
Google.
Yeah. Are there 2 telescopes, or because there are two domes?
4.
4.
Counterintuitive. It's actually 5 at least.
Okay.
Depending on your count, even 7.
No.
It depends how you count and when you count, right?
The big telescopes, if you count the heliometer as a telescope, it's one big one.
Okay.
This is a big one, but the big one has one from 1890 because they started photographing,
Ah.
so it's double.
Okay.
And for every telescope we have a so-called finder telescope, which in German is called searcher, interestingly.
Yeah. In German it's called searcher.
Searcher.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a different, you know, that different.
Yeah, yeah.
What you want to emphasize is the
Yeah.
glass half full or half empty. So so because it's difficult with the large magnification, you need a searcher or a finder for the friends from the Anglo-Saxons.
Yeah.
So and then you put it in the center of the finder, and then you look at it with the real thing.
Ah, okay.
So we are now with I think 5, 3. When the eye is happy that all the light from the sun is also arriving in our eye, then it's light.
Ah, okay.
If there's a selection, all in the sense of all colors,
Yeah.
if there's a selection like by the tree,
Yeah.
which to survive uses part of the light for energy production, but
Yeah.
on the other hand it's not a good idea to get the infrared light into the leaf. Then you get dried out in hot summer. Yeah? So the compromise or the result in the sun, because you know the eye.
Ah, now.
Oh wow,
This is it.
Yeah, look at it.
so cool.
You have to look into it in the shadow. You have to near it. I'll get the.
Yeah, here. Here's the sun.
There,
Here. Yeah, look. Here.
can you see? It's going away.
Yeah.
Gone.
So
And then you can see the clouds moving so fast.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Insane. Oh wow. Space cool.
Yeah. Cool. Solar scope. Yeah.
So nice. Wow.
Now it's gone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you have to. Let me try first. If you.
Ah, sorry. Sure.
Almost. Make that.
Yeah. No shadow, no sun. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Very simple.
Yeah.